This is Space Daily News. If you want to go to space and you have $415,000, you can get a ticket for Virgin Galactic spaceplane. Virgin Galactic is selling reservations for a spot on its suborbital spaceplane, which comes with an exclusive membership in the unique community of future astronauts. For now, it sounds like there will be a cap of 1,000 customers for the presale, or at least that's how many Virgin Galactic CEO Michael Colglazier plans to have lined up once the space touring company kicks off commercial service later in 2022. Virgin Galactic is also promising that guests who plunk down nearly $500,000 for their spot will get accommodations for guests on site at Spaceport America in New Mexico. Virgin Galactic suborbital spaceflight represents a 90-minute flight itself, which includes the ferry ride strapped to the carrier plane, and the several-minute part where you're actually weightless and able to view Earth from the edge of space. Meanwhile, SpaceX scheduled 3 touristic flights, and Jared Isaacman, who led the first all-private astronaut mission to orbit, has commissioned all of them. The first flight of the series of missions, which are being called Polaris after the North Star, is planned for late this year and will last up to 5 days, and include a crew of Isaacman and 3 other people. It expected to travel out to the Van Allen radiation belt, in part to help the crew research how radiation in space affects the human body. Also, during this mission, the crew will conduct a spacewalk, a first for anyone traveling aboard a SpaceX Dragon capsule. It's not clear if all this will go according to plan. SpaceX had not addressed what, if any, updates Crew Dragon will need to complete the mission safely. So far, the spacecraft has carried astronauts only on trips of low Earth orbit or the area of space directly surrounding Earth. Details about the spacewalk that the Polaris crew is planning to conduct on the first flight are light, but the press release states they will use SpaceX-designed extravehicle activity spacesuits, upgrade from the current intravehicle suit. The intravehicle suit refers to the pressurized black and white spacesuit that NASA astronaut and the Inspiration 4 crew have worn aboard Dragon during launch and re-entry. Much of the technical details remain unknown. Crew Dragon doesn't have an airlock, which would allow a single person to exit the spacecraft while the remaining crew members stay safely locked inside cabin. Without an airlock, the entire cabin will become depressurized. For the next 2 Polaris Dawn missions, there are still few details, and it is only known that Polaris Dawn 2 will also be on Crew Dragon. Polaris Dawn 3 will be the first manned mission on Starship. Thus, SpaceX has Axiom spaceflight scheduled in 2022, Axiom 1 in February or March, NASA Crew 4 and Crew 5 missions to the International Space Station on April and September, and now Polaris Dawn 1 on November or December. This was the Space Daily News. Stay tuned with us.